Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
In the lights of recent drone attack on Jammu Air Base, Indian Army and Indian Air Force is now looking for an anti-drone defense system which can provide 360-degree security. It's the right time to explore the private players which are already offering a wide range of anti-drone systems. And one such company is Green Robotics, which has designed and developed India's first 100% indigenous, unified, distributed and wide area autonomous defense drone called Indrajal. Indrajal, as the name suggests, is a trap for drones. It can protect an area as big as 1,000 to 2,000 square kilometers per system against threats such as UAVs, incoming weapons, loitering munitions, low RCS targets autonomously. In this video, we'll discuss about Indrajal, the anti-drone technology in detail, which is developed by the Green Robotics. We'll also explain the functionality of system and why is anti-drone technology critical for India. We'll also talk about what are the limitations of existing air defense systems. The Green Robotics is not a new establishment in the field of defense sector. They have developed extensive AC-6 IRST capabilities in the form of defense operations over an 8 years of R&D backed by decades of system development experience for the armed forces. Green Robotics Advisory Board consists of retired Defense Scientific Advisor, Deputy Chief of Army Staff, BEL Director and Air Force veterans who are instrumental for designing India's most comprehensive command and control system for the Indian Air Force called IACCS. The Autonomous Defense Weapon System is Indrajal's design principle based on delivering autonomy to defense forces by leveraging a combination of 9 to 10 modern technologies powered by artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and robotics that is capable of identifying, assessing, deciding, and acting and evolving autonomously in real time. It creates Autonomous Drone Defense Dome AD3, which is a powerful anti-drone dome that fortifies a large area or a city against drones or swarms of drones. Whether the threat is single or multiple or combination of UAV, low RCS loitering munitions, and similar threats, Indrajal is capable of countering all such threats. Some of the major highlights of Indrajal are: first, real-time situational awareness; second, distributed, decentralized and mobile, integrated and intelligent meshed network; third, ability to integrate with all current weapon suite and infrastructure; fourth, honeycombed cell structure seamlessly built over a combination of 9 to 10 technologies; fifth, persistent and autonomous monitoring, tracking and action all over the air. Now that we have seen about Indrajal, let's talk about why anti-drone technology is critical for India. Manual weapons and point-based defense system cannot fight modern warfare driven by artificial intelligence and robotics. For the first time in India and many times globally, rogue forces have adopted cutting-edge technologies such as UAVs, smart swarms, etc. Jammu Air Base on 27 June was attacked by such technologies to drop explosive right next to the Mi-17 hangar. PLA is already toying with advanced weaponry in the Western Theatre Command, tasked with military operations against India along the line of actual control. Drones are being used to train the infantry to conduct beyond visual range of sight targeting. PLA has developed a high-altitude and high-speed armed drones, the WJ-700, in 2021. In 2020, it introduced armed robots, and in 2021, reconnaissance robots in its military exercise. Overall, Jammu attack should be taken as a wake-up call, and immediate procurement of such anti-drone system should be made in priority. Now that we know the importance of anti-drone technologies for India, let's try to understand the limitations of current air defense system. The point defense anti-UAV systems will not be able to counter and protect large defense bases, NCR, and linear infrastructures like international borders and similar sensitive areas against small drones. A minimum of 300 systems are required to be deployed to protect the entire western border, and this is financially not a viable option. On contrary, with just 6 to 7 sectorally deployed Indrjal systems with their seamless connectivity can protect the entire western border.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.